Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Chaitanya. In this video, I'm going to address a popular software tool called as Chocolatey. It's an automation tool, I can say simply. So, I wanted to discuss some of the things before Chocolatey. So, what was the problem before Chocolatey? We often hear that managing Windows software can be a frustrating or time-consuming experience. In addition, teams may have some automated approaches, but they have identified some gaps in their experiences. So, what was the solution? In initial days, newer automation approaches and configuration management tools like DevOps tools or configuration management still don't fully address about Windows software management in an easy and maintainable way. This was the problem. Like previously, automation tools and approaches were applicable by Linux softwares only, Linux servers only, they are choosing that. But Windows somehow was managing these things in a difficult way. Maintainable such task is not an easy in Windows. So what are all the challenges there before Chocolatey? It's like time. Manual approach to software deployment is time consuming and inefficient way to do that. And complexity. Traditional tools, if you can see, they are complex and ineffective in today's IT's environment. Cost. Deploying and managing Windows software without standard package management results in additional overheads. These are all the challenges I had been addressed over here. So, there is a famous quote stated by one of the famous person. The biggest challenge is reducing duplication of effort, so users turn to Chocolatey for simplicity. It was quoted by Rob Reynolds, founder of Chocolatey Software. So, what is Chocolatey? Chocolatey helps for good developers as well as system administrators. We become outstanding developers by using this. They can become outstanding developers and systems administrators as well as is something you need if you have ever installed, upgraded, or removed software on Windows. That's I can say it's Chocolatey. While Chocolatey does the hard work, simply I can say you can go get some coffee or snacks, anything else, or you can go and sleep with that, or you can do the important things as well as that. So let's see overview of Chocolatey. It is a software management solution that gives you the freedom to create a simple software package and then deploy it anywhere. You have the Windows using any of your familiar configuration or system management tools. If you ever use packages like yum, apt, pacman, or indeed any package managers on Linux or Homebrew on a Mac, you already know what Chocolatey is. Chocolatey is the Windows package manager in the same way that RPM, it's for Red Hat package manager, like a Linux, I can say. It's designed to be simple to use. It provides a suite of powerful features that scale for your existing and your infrastructure, future infrastructure also. Power and flexibility in one simple product, that's I can say Chocolatey. So whether you are an individual or a small organization or a large enterprise, Chocolatey provides you with the features to be able to manage your Windows software simply. That means I can say it can be saving your time and resources like that. So get started with Chocolatey. It's a quick and easy. It's a free open source, I can say. Or if you want a commercial edition, you have to contact Chocolatey. So by using Chocolatey, what we can do, deploy anywhere you have a Windows. That means apply any software are you having on Windows, complete software coverage, reliable and secure, use familiar tools. And some other famous tool, it's like this may not seem very powerful at first, but imagine when you want to upgrade all the software on your own system to the latest, most secure versions. How do you do that? Manually? You might be thinking to do that in a manually, but what are all the manual steps? Let's discuss over here. You will be searching most recent version, whether if you have Python, let's say take an example over here. You will search for most recent version for upgrading, picking the right thing to download, wait for it to download, unblock it, install it manually like by clicking next, next, next. This was the most irritating uh, many of the people installing the softwares on Windows. Suppose it didn't install well, some because of malware. Now do it again for every piece of software on your system. The whole 7 steps will be repeated. So now contrast that with how you do the same with chocolating. Open command line, type choco upgrade all -y. With typing this simple command, you just walk away. Everything will be installed on your system. So you understand what the way. So this software can install using chocolating. You can install VLC Media Player, Notepad++, Spotify, Skype, or any other media applications you can install, as well as browsers, Firefox, Chrome, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari browser, or some other browsers are there. You can install by using chocolating, and also programming languages like Python, Java, .NET. You can install Python 3 version also. You can install Python 2 version also. Similar to that, IDEs, VS Code, that means Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, IntelliCube, and Eclipse, and some other IDEs. Some other IDEs also you can use. If you are familiar with Windows, those things you can install by using chocolating, and also Git, Jenkins, Packer, Docker, Terraform, Kubernetes, Ansible, some other stuffs also like Chef Puppet also been installed. If you are working with AWS or some other tools like Azure, you can use Putty also and many more. There are multiple softwares. Only thing is you need to search on Google Chaco, Chaco install Chrome. When you type that command in Google, you will see the links the way are going to install. So installation of Chocolatey, you need to click on this installation link. So what are the steps to install? I can recommend PowerShell over here. If you are using Windows, obviously we can use in Windows. You can do the installation for Mac. There are some homebrew packages are there. For Linux, you have yum apt install something like RPM. Some other tools or installation tools are there. When you are opening the PowerShell, I can recommend you to run it as administrator and then type this command over there. Get execution policy. If outputs something else like this restricted, we have to run this any one of the commands. Set execution policy all assigned or set execution policy bypass scope process. You can execute any of one of command over here on PowerShell. Sorry. Now you can run the following command. Of course, by above things also you can do that. You can directly run this command over PowerShell. So after executing the lines, you can close the PowerShell. Why I'm saying this means you have to be closed. You don't have to forget this because closing and relaunching the PowerShell means Windows cannot reload the environment variables on its own. For this purpose, I recommend you to do this step. Again, open your PowerShell as administrator. Check the chocolatey which you have installed. It's been correctly installed or not by typing this command choco version. So that's all for this video and remaining practical demo of software installations. You will be seeing that in a next upcoming video. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you like it the way of theory. Let's get dive into the practical. I will be uploading this in my next upcoming video. Until then, bye.